There is a statement many Nigerians repeat without hesitation. The Southeast has no roads. It is said casually. It is said confidently. And for many, it has become accepted as fact. But when a claim survives for decades, the most responsible response is not argument. It is documentation. The myth did not appear out of thin air. For many years, part of the Southeast truly suffered from road neglect. Federal highways deteriorated. State roads aged without maintenance. Those images became frozen in national memory. But what often gets ignored is this. Development is not static. Cities change. Infrastructures evolve. In Nigeria, narratives travel faster than reality. Once a label is created, it is repeated long after conditions improve. People who haven't visited the Southeast in 10 or 15 years still speak with certainty. But roads, unlike opinions, can be measured, seen, and experienced. Across the Southeast today, road infrastructures tells a different story. In Ebonyi State, long stretches of dual carriageways now link major towns. In Anambra, flyovers and express corridors ease congestion in urban centers. In Enugu, drainage-backed roads reflect planned urban renewal. In Abia, industrial routes are being reopened to support commerce. In Imo, arterial roads connect growing residential clusters. These are not isolated examples. They form a network. Good roads are not defined by length alone. They are defined by drainage that works, by smooth surfaces, by safe curves, by street lighting, and by how well they serve daily life. In compact cities like those in the Southeast, road quality matters more than sheer size. Many Southeast roads were built quietly, without national press conferences, without endless billboards, without federal ribbon-cutting ceremonies. Some were state-funded, some were community-supported, others emerged through private development. And because they weren't loudly announced, they were easily ignored. Interestingly, visitors often leave the Southeast surprised. They talk about how smooth the drive was. They notice how connected the cities feel. They question why what they saw doesn't match what they heard. The myth survives mostly among those who haven't checked recently. Documentation is not propaganda. It is simply evidence. And evidence has a way of forcing narratives to update themselves. When reality is shown consistently, myth slowly loses their power.